Hey, how's it going? Vladimir Donis here. So hey, today I'm coming to you with day 6 of my 30 days video challenge. And the thing that I want to talk about today is I want to talk about the assets that you need in order to run Facebook ads. You see, in order to make Facebook ads work, you're going to need some assets. There's some items that you're going to need. And if you have those items, it's going to make running ads just that much easier for you. So I'm going to talk about what those assets are. By the way, if you need help with this type of stuff, later this week I'm hosting a free web class, and the goal of that web class is to help you to grow your business using Facebook ads. There's going to be a link somewhere on this page. You can go ahead and use that link, and the link is going to allow you to register for that web class. All right, so now what assets do you need in order to make all of this work? There's a couple of different things that you need. One of the first things that you're going to need is you're going to need a creative. Now, a creative could be a video. It could be a video such as this video, or it could be an image. It could be an image that you use that you feel as though it's going to resonate with your target market. Usually for me, in my videos, what I usually do is I usually talk to my target market. So if I'm trying to attract entrepreneurs who are looking to use video as a way to attract more clients, I may say, hey, are you an entrepreneur or you're a business owner that's looking to use video to attract more people, but you have no idea what to say in video? I understand exactly how you feel, so on and so forth. So that's how I may use video. I shoot very short clips of videos, and I may use the video as a creative. You can demonstrate something in your video. So if you have a product that requires you to demonstrate stuff in your video, you can go ahead and demonstrate something very quickly, very fast in your video. I've seen before and after in videos as well. I've seen testimonials. So if you have testimonials from individuals who's used your product and they've benefited from your product, you can go ahead and use that as a creative. If you have before and after. So those are all different creatives that you can use, because the idea is that these creatives are going to grab the attention of the person that you're trying to attract closer to you. So that's the first type of creative that you're going to use. When you run a Facebook ads, it has 3 sections essentially. The middle section is usually a creative, and that creative could be a video or it could be an image. The top section usually just has content. And then you have the bottom section, which is in bold, and that bottom section is usually some type of a call to action. So just from a content standpoint, sometimes you can just repeat exactly what's in the video. So for instance, if you're talking about, hey, I've created a formula and that formula is going to help entrepreneurs use video marketing in their business, you can go ahead and repeat that exact same thing in the content section of your creative. So you think about the top section, you think about the middle section, and then you think about the bottom section. So the top section is the content section. You could literally just write the same thing that you said in your video. Another thing that you can do in the content section is just call out your target audience. Hey, are you this type of individual that's looking to solve this type of a problem? I have something for you. Are you this type of individual that's looking to use this type of product for a limited time? I have a discount for you. So so all of that is content that you've written on the top part of your Facebook ad that's going to attract people to you. The bottom part is just a simple call to action. That's what I usually use on the bottom part. And that call to action could be, here's a free video that's going to show you how to use video marketing in your business. Here's a coupon code that's going to give you a 20% discount. Here's, I just launched a free web class. And as a result of me launching a free web class, a free master class, I want to go ahead and give you a 15%, 20% discount. So as you can see, it's just a call to action that people are going to see, based on that. So those are the different assets that you do need to have. And if you have those assets, ahead of time, is going to definitely, help you. And obviously, you also need to have some type of a marketing system as well. I'm going to talk about that later on down the line in another video. But if you need help with this type of stuff, later this week, I'm hosting a free web class. And the goal of the web class is to show you how you can grow your business using Facebook ads. Again, I'm going to leave a link. There's going to be a link somewhere on this page. And what that link is going to allow you to do is that link is going to allow you to register for the free web class. The objective is that you're going to come to that web class with questions. And my goal is to help you to leave there with answers so that way you can go ahead and grow your business using Facebook ads. That's it for this episode. I'll catch you on the next one.